wonderful film.
Yes.
Dami ka naman.
Guilty pleasure. Well,
That
this
big
is a
one
movie
kanya.
that I'm very, very proud of. Kasi
No.
it's a story about
Duty
a
from
lawyer
Mountain
na
Dew.
she's baptized by her responsibility
Mountain Dew.
as a lawyer. And
Last day ng kanya. Kumbaga, first ka na.
What is that?
Yes.
Someone
camera.
you actually mentored.
Yes.
But more than that,
Di ba kakastart lang niya?
Friday niya, bale.
Kasi best friend.
Hindi lamang ito yung pelikula, but this means a lot to you.
Pag nakakita ka na, panoorin mo yung sarili mo sa YouTube, ginagyan nito.
Oh my gosh.
Silent pelikula. Usually, ang main purpose is to entertain people. But
Video
this one
niya.
is gonna spark a conversation
video.
after. Pagkatapos niyo panoorin yung pelikula, I'm sure maraming mag-uusap-usap ng magkakaibigan kung sino yung mga kasama na. May topic kasi dito na kailangan mapag-usapan talaga. That we have to raise awareness. But then, yeah.
And we'll take a look at ourselves as friends.
Yes.
Di ba?
Awareness of what?
You know, you go to yourself and you say,
What a
what kind of a friend am I?
Yes.
Anong klaseng kaibigan ito?
Oh,
The
yes.
betrayals we've been through.
Betrayals.
Yung yelo.
And, yeah.
Pero,
Yelo?
ang pelikula nito because
O green?
one of the last films that Mother,
Bakit parang hindi yelo?
di ba?
Yes.
Greenlit.
Yes.
Tingnan mo din.
Hindi kasi
Matabang
parang hilaw
naman.
pa yan nung binili ko eh. Yung iba parang medyo mahinog-hinog na.
Really excited about. And I'm very sad
gusto niya ito hilaw.
to watch it, but then
Asim.
dedicated this to her as well.
Asim ba?
Yeah.
Lali, paano mo hinarap
Strawberry.
yung karanasan?
Yung baka lalong maasim.
Hindi. Tinikman ko yung hapon, matamis.
In a matter of...
Nakaka-text ka na.
I mean, he was a gift.
Nakaka-text ka na.
Nilalakihan niya yung
Nakikita mo yung letra.
Malaki yung sulat eh.
Hindi ako nga, nakikita mo yung letra.
Kaya malapit.
Oo, nakikita mo.
Nicest people in the world.
Nakita mo yung letra. Nakaka-text ka, nakaka-type kayo.
Oo.
And
Pero kailangan malaki yung letters.
Oo nga.
Saka malapit.
It's there, what are you talking about?
Ano sabi nun sa every 2 hours na vlog? Paggabi,
That tiny detail quietly hints she might be adopted. Chloe just casually drops deep stuff like that while we're over here trying not to cry into our cereal. Chloe is heartwarming, clever, and beautifully made, but even the best shows have the occasional oops. Let's talk animation.
Daddy, subukan mo yung banana bread, masarap.
And
Busog na ako,
my last
okay na.
message sa kanya was that I'm so happy I did this film and I worked with Derek Corney. And I'm not
Ay, yung bagong phone. Wala akong makita man Tomas. Pero pwede na.
Mang Tomas!
Ay, Mang Tomas, yung ano ba yan? Ay, hindi pala yan yung dala ko. Binidala ko.
Bakit ka magmamang Tomas kung ang hinahanap mo bago?
Balance and
pero nga ano mo, yung tinidor mo. Bago pa lang yung tinidor mo, di ba?
Yep.
kasi hindi ko sinasabi lahat. Pero sana gano'n ang talent.
Ito, may bagong daddy.
Oh, yeah. You guys open doors for us. We always have to show respect and pay tribute to our members. Because without that one person we believe in.
Si best friend, kita nyo, nakakaaninag yan, nakita nyo.
Ako, my first, best thing ever here sa GMA was S-Files. I mean, I wasn't even starting, I wasn't an actress yet, and that's when he saw me on TV. And then I eventually met up with him after. So, parang, it just happened. Like that.
Losing 2 people back, sino yung isa?
Hindi ko alam.
Lobster.
Share with
Yung tatay niya yung isa.
memorable GMA experience.
A lot. Ang hirap sabihin. Kasi when I ended, parang siyang rush of emotions and memories na ang dami ng stuff. Like, I had so many shows, like, my friends. I can't even, pinpoint, like, one.
Parang hindi ka makapili ng
Hindi
isa.
ako makapili ng isa. But maybe siguro, my first SOP appearance was my duos with Tito Augie. Alam mo yung mga ganun. But
Parang hindi niya kamukha si
it's
ano.
always like the little things.
Fernando po?
It's like, nasa dressing
Ano kaya
room
namin
ako,
mo?
and I see everybody, ang guli-guli namin sa dressing room. And we're all running around. It's just, it's nice.
What do you mean?
Iniisip ko si Lovely.
Love.
Loveliness.